Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Agustina Putihatining Tias and my student number is 253. Today I will present about my analysis of the poem. The title is The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. And it is the poem. Next. About the poem. First published in 1916, The Road Not Taken show Frost at his best as a pastoral who combines rustic simplicity with hidden, indirect and clarity of style and language. The poem's title. The first. The road is the symbol of the choice made by us in life. Many times we regret the choice we make, but what is done once cannot be undone. The second, man regrets for what he has denied himself in life, rather than what he has chosen. And the last, the words road not only means way, it also means journey or a stage of journey. Here, roads does not signify any ordinary road, but function a metaphor of a vital decision in our life. And the summary of the poem. This poem talks about the choice one has to make in life and their consequence. One day, while walking in a wooded area full of trees, the poet comes to a place where he has to decide which road he should take. He starts debating over the choices as he realizes he cannot walk on both. However, he decided to take the second path with the intention of traveling on the first some other time in the future. In the first stanza, two roads differ in a yellow mood, and sorry I could not travel both. And beyond travel long I stood and looked down one as far as I could, to where it been in the ground, underground. The summary of the first stanza. The speaker describes his position. He has been out for walking in the woods and comes in between the diversion of two roads. He stands there looking as far down each one as he can see. He would like to try out both, but doubts he could do that. So therefore he continued to look down the roads for a long time, trying to make his decision about which road to take. The second stanza. Then took the other, as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claims, because it was grassy and wanted were. Took as for the passing there, had warmed them really about the same. The summary of the second stanza. He looked down the first one to where it been in the underground, and then the second one, and he decided to take the other path, because it seemed to have less travel than the first. But then he goes on to say that they actually were very similarity. The second in that he took seemed less travel, but as he thinks about it, he realized that they were really about the same, but not exactly the same, but only about the same. The third stanza. And both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I keep the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. The summary of the third stanza. The third stanza continues with the question about the possible differences between the two roads. He had noticed that hill leaves were both fresh fallen on them, and had not been walked on, but then again claims that maybe he could come back and also walk the first one something he doubted he would be able to, because in life one thing leads to another, and time is short. Fourth stanza. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere a age and age hence. Two road difference in a word and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. And the summary of the fourth stanza. In this poem, the word difference is taken in a positive way, but there is nothing in the poem that suggests that his difference signal a positive outcome. The speaker could not offer such information because he has not lived the difference yet. And the last is message of this poem. Robert Frost's poem, or The Road Not Taken, seems to hold out the mortal that life is a continuous journey full of difference now and then. The important thing is to move on without looking back whether the choice of path taken was right or wrong. The right is or the right or wrong are relative terms. We cannot get everything in life and have to make choice. Whatever direction in our life take is determined by the choice made by us. In the journey of life, one can seldom come back to travel the routes not taken in. I think that's all. Thank you.